SCN Lewis structure or Lewis dot structure for SCN, thiocyanate ion. So let us find out the valence electron for this ion. Sulfur has 6 valence electron because it is the element of group 6a. Carbon has 4 valence electron because it is the element of group 4a. Nitrogen has 5 valence electron because it is the element of group 5a. And for negative charge, we have to add extra valence electron with this. So basically we are getting 16 valence electron. Totally this 16 valence electron has 2 tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 3 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy the octet for all the atoms. And thirdly, we'll check whether each atom has a formal charge close to 0. However, let us connect these 3 atoms together so that we can get Lewis structure. So we already have connected this 3 atom. To connect 2 atoms, we need 2 dots or 1 bond, right? These are shared electron because these 2 dots is shared equally by carbon and nitrogen. Here sulfur and carbon. However, so out of 16 we have used here 4, so 12 valence electron left. Here carbon is the central atom because it has the it is the least electronegative atom, right? So we have remaining 12 valence electron now. This 12 valence electron will be used to satisfy the octet of outer atom first. So let us satisfy the octet for outer atom now, nitrogen here. So out of 12 we have used here 6, so 6 valence electron left. So this 6 valence electron will come over this sulfur. So look, 2 4 6. Now we have gotten this structure, right? And this structure, look, this sulfur has 2 4 6 8, this nitrogen has 2 4 6 8, but this carbon has only 4, right? So we need to satisfy the octet for this carbon. You can satisfy the octet for carbon from this side or from this side. So let us to satisfy the octet, carbon need more 4 electrons, so we can move this pair and this pair here. So then we'll get this structure 1, right? And also we can move this pair here and this pair here, so we'll get this structures 2, right? Okay. And also look, sorry, okay, also we can move lone pair from equally. We can take from one pair from nitrogen and one pair from sulfur. Then we'll get this structure. Look, this structure 3, right? So here we'll get double bond, and here we will also get double bond, right? Okay. So we are getting this structure, right? Now we have to say which structure among these these 3 structure is the best structure for SCN minus, that is thiocyanate ion, right? And to find out the best Lewis structure, we have to apply the formula for formal charge. That is, we have to find out the formal charge of each atom of this Lewis structure. So HCN minus has 3 Lewis structure. This alternative Lewis structure is called resonance structure, right? So we have to keep in mind the formula for formal charge: valence electron in free state, then unshared electrons minus half of shared electron. It is easy, right? Valence electron minus unshared electron minus half of shared electrons. So look, this sulfur has for structure 1 we have determined the formal charge. Look, this sulfur for sulfur in free state has 6 valence electron, right? So 6 minus unshared electron. Here unshared electron is 2 minus half of shared. Here shared electron is this 6 electron, right? So after doing calculation, we are getting plus 1, right? And for carbon, look, for carbon we are getting here, carbon has 4 valency electron, right? And then unshared electron for carbon is 0, everything is shared, and then half of shared electron 2, here 6, right? So we are getting 0 formal charge for carbon. And for nitrogen, look, for nitrogen has 5 valence electron, and then unshared electron for nitrogen is here 6, then half of shared electron is 2. So after calculation we are getting -2, right? So thus we have calculated the formal charge for structure 2 and structure 4. In structure 2, look, the formal charge of sulfur is -1, the formal charge of carbon is 0, and the formal charge of nitrogen 0, right? So look, and for third structure, the formal charge of sulfur is 0, formal charge of carbon is 0, and nitrogen is -1, right? So now we have to select the best Lewis structure. Look, here compare atom to atom. Here sulfur has -1, here +1, and here 0, right? So look, and then compare carbon. Here 0, 0, 0. So carbon doesn't have any effect here. Then nitrogen here is -1 is nitrogen, here 0, and here -2. So in case of nitrogen, look, here -2 and here 0. So among these two structure, here sulfur is +1 and sulfur is -1, right? And nitrogen is -2. So we know that nitrogen is more electronegative than sulfur, right? So minus charge for nitrogen is accepted. So SCN has -1 charge. So if you add -2 + 1, then you will get -1, right? So this can be, but look, here nitrogen has 0 and sulfur is -1. You know that nitrogen is more electronegative. So in this case, this structure is accepted between this. So this structure is not accepted because nitrogen is more electronegative and sulfur is than sulfur. So negative should be on nitrogen. So this structure is not accepted. So compare 1 and 3. Here look, nitrogen has sulfur has +1, here 0. Nitrogen -1, here -2. Okay, so we know that formal charge should be close to 0, right? So sulfur +1 to 0. So this is accepted, and nitrogen -1 to -2 to -1, that is close to 0. You know that here 0, then -1, -2. So for nitrogen for nitrogen between -2 and -1, you know that -1 is close to 0. So we will accept this, right? And so this structure 3, that is double bond, right? Double bond is the best Lewis structure for SCN, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.